Cruises come with a lot of extra cost options you can add to your cruise, like specialty dining, excursions, and spa treatments. But are any of them worth it? Ahoy travelers! It's Amy here to help you make your travel experience a success by helping you navigate the world of cruising extras. Now, there are definitely some extra cruise expenses that are worth the money. While not everyone will choose to spend their disposable income on the same things, let's go over 8 extras that are worth the cost if you plan to treat yourself.
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
Mimosas.
Treat yourself.
Fine leather goods.
Treat yourself.
First up, specialty dining. These restaurants offer gourmet food and unique menus that you won't find in the main dining room. You can find all types of options like steakhouses, Italian dining, sushi, and even Southern comfort foods. If you're a foodie, specialty dining restaurants are a great way to treat yourself, especially if you've been on the same line multiple times and are ready for something different, as many cruise lines keep the same basic MDR menu for quite a while before major changes are made and new dishes are added. Special dining can be a great way to treat yourself to an exceptional dining experience. Are you cruising for a special event like a birthday or anniversary? Then booking a specialty restaurant will also provide a more intimate setting for your celebration. If you are wanting to enjoy specialty dining restaurants more than once on your cruise, look to see if you can purchase a dining package that will save you money. Now, not everyone will want to upgrade their dining experience, so what else is out there? Drink packages can be a great value if you like to enjoy a variety of beverages. Remember, most cruise lines only offer tap water, juice, tea, and basic coffee as included drinks. Now, this is basic coffee, not the fancy stuff. So drink packages often cover soft drinks, specialty coffees, and alcoholic drinks, which save those who like to indulge money in the long run. Mom and I like to splurge on the alcoholic drink packages. It allows us to enjoy drinks without worrying about the cost since we've already paid for them. Plus, it's a fun way to try out new cocktails and other drinks that we wouldn't get to try anywhere else. We live out in the middle of nowhere. There's just nowhere to get nice cocktails where we live. We don't go to the bars, and they're just not nice restaurants that have like a plethora of interesting cocktails to try. I like to have an iced coffee in the mornings, so having a beverage package that includes specialty coffee can save me money in the long run. Many cruise lines also include their drink package as part of an upgraded cruise bundle, like Norwegian's Free at Sea, Princess Cruise Line's Princess Plus or Princess Premier packages, and Celebrity's all-included bundle. These are usually cheaper than getting the drink package by itself, especially if you're also wanting to bundle in things like Wi-Fi. Always do the math to see if a drink package is going to be worth it for you. Next, shore excursions. Booking excursions through the cruise line or reputable third-party vendors ensures that you see the best of each port with guided tours and exciting activities. While there are a few cruise ports out there where you can easily wander the area on your own, most require a little more planning if you want to get further than the shops at the cruise terminal. I always recommend researching what the most popular things to do at each port are, then narrowing down your options until you find the perfect excursion for you and your group. Once your choice is made, you can decide if you want to book through the cruise line or go with a reputable third party. Personally, I use several third-party sites unless an excursion is going to take up most of my time at port. Then I'm going to book that more expensive excursion through the cruise line to ensure that they're not going to leave me behind if we're late returning to port. Now, for many, spa treatments are another worthwhile expense. Massages, facials, and other treatments can enhance your relaxation and rejuvenation on a cruise. We've often gotten a massage on a cruise ship either using discounts or onboard credit, because while massages on board cruise ships are costly, they are also some of the best massages I've ever had. Plus, as I said before, we live out in the middle of nowhere. There's really nowhere to go get a good massage, so it's a nice splurge for us. Another perk that we have enjoyed on some Carnival cruises is bringing forward the spa package. This gives cruisers access to relaxation rooms, therapy pools, salt rooms, steam rooms, and more. In addition to spa treatments, most ships will also offer services like haircuts, manicures, pedicures, and more. So if you're wanting to get all dolled up for formal night, these can be a great option. Plus, just think of how great your photos will look. Fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, or spin can help you stay active and healthy while enjoying your vacation. It's a great way to balance relaxation with exercise. And for those who regularly attend classes on land, you can easily keep your normal routine while on vacation. If you're looking for a fun way to get rid of those extra cruise calories, consider joining a dance class or even Zumba. I'm going to admit that spending money on a fitness class is probably the last way I would choose to splurge, no shocker, but I know many who do love those endorphins. We have 3 more cruise extras I think are among the most popular. But before we get to them, if you enjoy this video and maybe even learn something, consider subscribing with the notification bell on so you don't miss out on any future posts. Upgrading to a balcony cabin can offer private outdoor space and stunning views. This is especially worth it during scenic cruises like Alaska or Norway. While we choose to save money by booking interior cabins on most cruises, we chose to upgrade to a balcony on our upcoming cruise around the fjords of Norway. Since a cruise around Norway is all about the views, and we will be sailing close to the coast or within the fjords much of the time, it would be nice to have a balcony to sit out on and enjoy the view. It will be our own little space to relax and enjoy those views. Another perk of a balcony over an interior ocean view room is the extra space. With cruise cabins being notoriously small, the extra square footage of a balcony room can make moving around a lot easier. Most balcony rooms have a couch as well that can give cruisers an extra place to relax. Now, staying connected with family and friends or managing work while on board can be crucial. An internet package is a valuable investment to keep you in touch. I think over the last few years, this has probably become the most popular cruise extra. Gone are the days when the majority of cruisers wanted to disconnect from the rest of the world while on a cruise. In fact, many lines are going digital in so many ways that leaving your phone behind in your cabin just isn't really an option anymore. Another reason I believe many are choosing to purchase an internet package is that so many lines have added Starlink to their ships. This has really improved the service, especially while out at sea. You rarely hear complaints about slow speeds if you're on a ship outfitted with Starlink. Lastly, room service. Some cruises offer enhanced room service menus for a small fee, allowing for cozy, private meals in your cabin. Now, while those in an interior room might not want to choose to eat a meal in their room, unless they're in a rush and trying to get ready for a night watching a theater performance or something, getting room service is perfect for those with a balcony. Many cruisers will order room service for a quiet night in after a long day. However, I think the most popular meal for room service is breakfast. Breakfast on the balcony as you watch your ship pull into port, or a leisurely brunch on a sea day while still in your robe would make for a great slow sea day morning. So which of these are you most likely to splurge on? Are there any that you definitely won't be spending money on? Let me know in the comments. It's fitness classes, right? That's my vote. I'm not spending money on fitness classes. I'll get my exercise by taking the stairs. If you want to learn more about why cruisers choose an interior cabin over springing for that balcony, why not stick around and check out this video? And then come back for more information designed to help you have an amazing cruise. Have a blessed week, everyone.